Let's talk about the latest launched Lava smartphone YUVA 5G with premium glass-back design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.53 inches HD plus punch hole display. Resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, approximately 82.7% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio. Approximately 269 ppi pixel density, and with 90 Hz refresh rate. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel wide angle camera, along with 2 megapixel macro camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel front camera. Located in centered punch hole, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A76 plus 1.8 GHz Hexa Core Cortex-A55, powered by Unisoc T750 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 4 GB of extended RAM, and 64 GB, 128 GB of UFS 2.2. Onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.36 by 76.16 by 9.1 mm, and it weighs around 208 grams, and the color options Mystic Green, Mystic Blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now, let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Lava YUVA 5G has been priced in India for 4 GB plus 64 GB storage variant at 9,499 Indian rupees, while the 4 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 9,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Lava YUVA 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.